I've found it. The vintage Ferrari is here.
Watch that. Easy now, easy.
Watch that left. Watch out below. We've got more debris coming down. Bring it left. Easy, easy.
Hold it right there.
I've found it. The vintage Ferrari is here, exactly where the coordinates suggested. It's heavily overgrown but intact. We need immediate extraction.
All right, team, let's get the rigging ready.
Watch that left wheel, it looks unstable.
Copy that. Extending the crane arm now.
The structural integrity is compromised right here.
Yeah. We need to reinforce this section before we lift. All right, team, pull on 3. Ready? 1.
Easy now, easy.
Watch that left side, it's slipping. Watch out below, we've got more debris coming down.
Keep it steady, almost clear of the canopy.
Tension looks good. Bring it left. Hold it there. A little more, keep it steady. All right, easy down. Easy, easy.
Hold it right there.
Little to the left now.
Tighten that rear strap. It's secure now. Okay, the truck is secure, ready to unstrap.
Go ahead.
Bringing the winch cable around now. Hold it there. Bring it down slowly now.
Watch the fender on the left.
All right, hold it right there.
Easy. Easy.
This door panel is completely shot.
The seats aren't much better. Look at the rust on the floor pan.
Oh man, this is worse than I thought. All right, bring her up slowly. Watch the mounts. Clear on this side. Keep it coming steady.
Look at this buildup near the valve stem.
It's completely clogged. We are looking at a full, deep clean here.
The rust on this casing is worse than I thought.
Especially around this bolt here. We should start with the fuel lines.
This seam needs more work, and there's a hairline fracture just below the trim line.
I'll mark this dent for the pulling rig.
There's Bondo here from a previous repair.
Yeah, I'm getting a high reading with the gauge right here. We'll mark this for stripping.